In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change product card layout in Wix Studio. If you're building an online store in Wix Studio, the product gallery is the heart of your shopping experience. Let's fine-tune how those product cards look and behave so your catalog is clean, consistent, and easy to browse. Start with your site open in the Wix Studio editor. Click directly on your product gallery to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a floating toolbar appear near the gallery. From that floating toolbar, choose Settings. A small settings panel will open, and on the left side of that panel, you'll find Layout. Click Layout, then select Product Grid. This is where all the layout controls for your product cards live. First, set the grid behavior. Choose between fixed or responsive. Fixed keeps your card dimensions consistent, which is great when you want a strict, uniform grid. Responsive allows the layout to adapt to different screen widths, giving you flexibility on various devices and preventing awkward gaps. Pick the one that best matches your design style and how dynamic you want your grid to feel. Next, adjust the maximum card width. You can drag the slider or type an exact pixel value if you want precise control. A narrower card width creates a denser grid, while a larger width lets your products breathe and gives more visual emphasis to each item. If imagery is your hero, lean a bit larger. If you have long product names, ensure your card width supports readable text wrapping. Then set the number of products per load. This determines how many items appear at once as users browse your gallery. A smaller number can help pages feel faster and less overwhelming, while a larger number reduces the need to load more frequently. Think about your audience's browsing habits and the size of your catalog as you choose a value. Now refine spacing. Adjust the spacing between columns using the slider or by entering a pixel value. This horizontal gap shapes the rhythm of your grid. Too tight can feel cramped, too wide can feel disconnected. Do the same for spacing between rows to control the vertical flow. Keeping column and row spacing harmonious goes a long way toward a professional, balanced layout. As you make changes, watch the gallery update in real time so you can quickly dial in the look you want. And that's it. With these layout controls, grid behavior, maximum card width, products per load, and precise spacing, you can present your products in a way that's both beautiful and effortless to shop.